Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are kicking off with an exciting new series all centered around ServiceNow administration. Today we will be starting this series by having a look at the 101 basics of platform navigation. So this would be a great video for anyone who's perhaps new in your team, new to ServiceNow, and wants to understand this from the first level. Now, in addition to this video, I also wanted to show some learning resources that could be really useful. So we have ServiceNow Learning, which is part of our ServiceNow University. Now this is for anyone of any skills where they can go and find training content which can be on demand or instructor led, and you can earn certificates, badges, and have real hands-on practice. Personally, this is how I started learning ServiceNow when I joined this ecosystem a few years ago, and I found it a really great resource to have. Now there's also ServiceNow documentation, which is our repository of all information relating to ServiceNow. You can find answers, search for any of your questions, and also find guides and manuals to help you understand how to implement new things and use the platform to the best of your ability. And this is also a tool I'm looking at every single week in my job here. Now we also have ServiceNow support, which is specifically for our customers, helping you get access to any technical support and managing your instances to the best of their abilities. Now, with this in mind, I will hand over to Anna.Brundan, who is a new solution consultant here at ServiceNow, and you may be introduced to her very soon as part of your new account team. And she will be walking through the platform navigation basics today in this brief demo. So I'll hand over to Emma.
ServiceNow is a cloud-based platform designed to help organizations just like yours manage their digital workflows for enterprise operations. It automates routine work tasks and consolidates IT tools into a single system, enabling more efficient and effective service management. So today I'm going to take you through a quick whistle-stop tour of a few of the core features and capabilities of the platform. So let's kickstart by having a quick overview of the user interface. So the first thing we can have a look at is on the top banner with the application navigator. So when we toggle into it, this all button, we can see that there are drop down of all different things that we can do within the platform. Also toggle to this little pin and pin the menu to the side, and what this gives us is a sidebar that provides quick access to applications and modules. We can also go through and use this small drop down arrow, and we can also favorite these by using the little star or edit them as well. We can also see the filter at the top, and if we unpin, it can go back to normal if that's not the view we would like to see. We can then move along to our favorites. So for example, if we went to all and we clicked on the star here and click done, we can have a look and see that that has actually now appeared in our favorites. Now this is really useful for a few people who are working in specific workspaces a lot or on a specific page, and you can just come here and quickly put them in there, and then that's really easy and useful to use. So quickly moving on, we have our history. Now this shows us every single page that we've clicked on previously, so it works similarly to how Google history or website history works as well. If we then move along to our workspaces, often clicking into each one of these will give us centralized views of widgets specifically tailored to user roles. We can come to admin and we can see admin home and adoption blueprints. And this is a functionality which is usually only available to said admin. And then in the middle, we have this banner, which again, it tells us exactly what page you're on. And this is key for user accessibility. Now coming to the other side of the page, we can have a look at the global search. So here is a search feature to find records, applications, and knowledge articles quickly as well. Next to this, we have a little widget, the first one being the application scope and the update set button. So the application scope protects custom application components to avoid conflicts and control access as well. And the update sets in ServiceNow track and group customizations for migration between instances and facilitate in turn a controlled deployment. So we can have a look and we can see the sidebar discussions widget. So in the platform, there is a messaging feature that enables users to have conversations directly within the context of a specific record or a specific task. So again, this fosters collaboration by allowing users to communicate and share information without leaving the platform. So next, we've got the help, which again is pretty self-explanatory, as well as the notifications. The next thing we have is our persona profile at the end here. Now, as the system admin, we are able to have a look at our profile, different preferences. We are also able to impersonate users or also potentially elevate our role depending on the access given.
So I hope you found that a useful introduction to ServiceNow platform navigation. And as we are introducing a new series with our ServiceNow administration, I wanted to include a survey here at the end. So this is what the survey looks like, and you can simply choose from this list of anything that you would like us to focus on in upcoming videos or suggest your own ideas. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you next time.